Flat batteries never happen at a good time. So whether you're at home, heading to work, or you're out camping, one flat battery is gonna leave you stranded. And no one wants to spend time waiting around for roadside assistance. That's when it is really handy to have an Oricom JSP2000 jump starter. This thing is small enough to fit inside your glove box, but it still packs some serious power. With a 900 amp start and a 2000 amp peak, it can jumpstart petrol vehicles up to 8 litres and diesel vehicles up to 6 litres. The smart clamps that come with it make everything really simple. Just connect them up. When you see a green light, you're ready to jumpstart your car and you're good to go. There's no second guessing and you'll be on the road in no time. But it is not just for emergencies. It also doubles as a power bank. With a USB-A and USB-C ports, it can charge your phone and keep everything topped up. Plus, it comes with a built-in LED light, which has SOS and strobe functions if you ever need them. And best of all, Oricom is 100% Australian owned and backed by local support. Plus, the JSP2000 has 12 months warranty. So it's one of those things that you hope you never have to use, but if you do, it's right in the glove box.